Attorney Brenton Begley here. I'm going to partner with McIntyre Elder Law, and I want to talk today about preserving the step-up in basis. This is an important tax planning tool for seniors. So when we're talking about step-up in basis, we're talking about capital gains tax and helping your loved one avoid capital gains tax. So let's first talk about what the step-up in basis is. So let me explain this by way of example. If you buy an asset, you establish a basis in that asset. So let's say I buy a house for $100,000. I've established a tax basis in that house of $100,000. If I turn around and sell it for $300,000, I have a gain of $200,000. Bought it for $100, sold it for $300, I have a gain of $200,000. Okay, so that's the gain I would have to pay any type of capital gains tax on if it applied. So what is the step up in basis? So the step up in basis means that if I die and I leave that property to a child in the correct way, they get what's called a step up in the basis. So instead of it being $100,000, what my basis was, their new basis is fair market value at date of death. So if that's $300,000 and they turn around and sell it for $300,000, there is no gain. So that's a very valuable thing to pass along to a loved one because you avoid potential huge capital gains on the property, especially if you bought the property way back in the day, you've had it for a number of years, and you're going to leave it behind for a loved one. So what mistakes do people make in not being able to preserve that step up in basis? Well, the main one is transferring the property out of your name during your life. Now, there's many reasons why someone may think they should do this, maybe to protect the home from long-term care, maybe to avoid probate, but there's other ways to protect the home and avoid probate without giving up that step up in basis. So transferring the home during your life and not holding on to it where it's a, inheritance for the child will mess with your ability to pass along that very important step up in basis. If you have tax planning questions or questions about capital gains or how to preserve step up in basis, how to avoid probate, how to protect property, give us a call, 704-259-7040, or visit our website, mcelderlaw.com.
Please don't wait